We need half an apple, we need a carrot, grate the apple, grate the carrot, add half the orange juice, mix it well. Take a glass of water in a saucepan. Now boil for 6 to 7 minutes. Take it in a glass. Take 2 spoons of mixture in the glass. Mix it well. Now take it in a bottle. Cover the mixture for 30 minutes. Take the drink in a cup. Add a spoon of honey. Mix it well. Drink a cup in the morning, half hour before breakfast. To get an effective result, continue to drink this drink for 30 days. And you will notice the difference. Especially in the stomach area. You can prepare a quantity for 3 days and store it in the refrigerator. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.